Hello everyone, I do hope you're okay and everyone is well. I'm going to make some cufflinks today, and these were very popular at Christmas but also for birthdays. I'm actually going to be making some golf. I've got these lovely golf cabochons and a pair of football cabochons that I need to make today for an order. So I just thought I'd show you how I make them, and as always the supplies are available on my website, which I'll link below. I've got some super glue, nothing fancy, 2 jump rings, gold and silver. These are just to attach the Handmade with Love cards to the cufflinks. You don't have to do this, but it's just what I do. And I always put them into these little velvet drawstring pouches, which makes them great for gifts. So these are 12mm, along with the cabochons, which are 12mm. These are clear glass domes, and they have a high quality photo image underneath. So this is what I do. So I add some glue. I'm going to actually add the cabochon sidewards so it sits right when it's on the cuff. Just going to push. There we go, there's one. Glue. Then we have the other one. This is what it looks like. I'm also going to make a pair of the golf clubs with the gold ones. Because I also sell these separately, I don't want to make something that may not sell. So what you can do is just take a pair and just take photographs of them for selling. Then if they don't sell, all you have to do is change the cabochons and you haven't wasted a pair of cufflinks. I mean, these are very popular, but for other instances I would much rather sell these or these rather than holding on to a pair of cufflinks that I've made. It's, you know, otherwise I would be bombarded with lots of stock. But I am going to make a pair of gold ones of the clubs today. So again, glue, make sure I get them the right way. So that is, I'm going to be putting it that way. That's the bag, and the golfs come this way. Golf clubs go that way. Don't put too much glue, otherwise you will glue your fingers together, which I am forever doing, but don't tell anybody. There are the gold ones. I'll do a close-up photo So you can really see how lovely the Golf Cabochons are. They are very good quality. So we let those dry. I'm also going to make a pair of football for an order today. So I'll show you how I pack those. These can just be placed inside because there isn't an actual pattern. There's that one. Pop the lid on. These are the football cufflinks. And again, I wish I had done these before Christmas because you could have had a go at making them for Christmas gifts. So how do I get them ready? These are 8mm. Again, you don't have to do this step. So I put them through the hole. And I just attach them there and then close. Obviously we just put it on the one and then they can see that that's been handmade. So we have that pair. This one's smaller. I use very thin jump rings so they're easy to get off. Through the hole, attach to the side, and then close. 8mm would be better though. There is that one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. Thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.